Hey, what's up, guys? This is expensive airsoft pistol versus cheap airsoft pistol. Okay, so this is the expensive one. This is a WeTech 1911 blowback green gas. This costs about $120 for the pistol itself. It has beaver tail, full metal, slide release, everything that you would expect in a high-end pistol. And over here we got this HFC full plastic non-blowback 1911. Just everything you'd expect in a cheap airsoft pistol. This is the mag. Like, I feel like I could break that with my left toenail or something. And yeah, now let's go do the shooting test. Okay, first up is the expensive one. Got a fully loaded mag with green gas in it. So let's go. Okay, and here we go. Off safety. So as you can tell, extremely hard shooting, very powerful, about 400 FPS. And yeah, now let's move on to the cheap one. All right, now we got this cheap pistol, got a fully loaded mag. Let's pop that bad boy in and then single action it. Oh yeah. Wow, very powerful. Okay, I'm gonna go stand by that fence. I'm gonna get shot with the expensive airsoft pistol, and then I'll get shot with this one and see what one hurts more. Ah! Yeah, that hurt. All right, now we'll be doing the cheap pistol. So let's do that. Okay, so obviously, as you guys can tell from my reaction, this one hurts a lot more because this is about like 400 FPS, while the cheap one is only 300. And we're using 0.20 gram BBs for both of them. And so yeah, now we're gonna go do an accuracy test. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna do an accuracy test on that target over there. And we're gonna be using the expensive one first. So let's do it. Safety off. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we got the cheap one. And yeah, let's see how this does. So we got mag. Boop! And then, oh, safety's on. Okay. Now, as you can see, these iron sights are pretty bad. You can see. And, okay, so let's try it out. Okay, it's out. Okay, so that was the accuracy test, and obviously this one did a lot better. I hit the target almost every time. But to be honest, this gun isn't that bad if you're beginning. Like, I could easily shoot a human-sized target, probably about like 30 feet away, pretty easily. This gun holds 12 in its little mag, and very light, full plastic. I don't think anything's metal except the trigger. Obviously the safety, and yeah, it's basically it for this gun. This gun, the WeTech, it's a very, very solid gun for beginners and like people who are experienced in airsoft. Has dual safeties, obviously blowback, slide can lock back. Iron sights are very nice, as you can see. And mag can hold 15 rounds and a lot of green gas actually. Probably about 5 mags of green gas for one green gas fill. and as you can see, like, trigger is very detailed. The grip is all rubberized and nicely textured, beaver tail safety, and very heavy. I'd say 2.5 pounds, and full metal. So this is the end of our review. Hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.